Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about this book, Give Me Half. And in Lesson 1, you should have listened to the read aloud. If you haven't, go ahead and pause this and listen to the book first before you start this lesson. So, this was a brother and sister that had to share. What does Mom say when what they have to do when they share? That's right, they have to get the same amount. It wouldn't be fair, would it, if one person got more than the other? What are some things that the brother and sister shared? What are some things that are shown here on the cover that they had to share? That's right, they had to share a pizza, and they also had to share some juice. They had to share cupcake and cookies, and they also had to share in cleaning up, didn't they? How do you know that they had the same amount of pizza? So let's look in here at the pizza. How did you know that they had the same amount? That's right, this piece is equal to this piece, right? This half is equal to this half. It's the same amount. And they had to do the same thing with the juice box. So now, boys and girls, we're going to think about how the brother and sister had to share a pizza, and we have this shape here. What is the shape? That's right, it's a circle. And so how could we split our circle so that both parts are exactly the same size? Yes, we're going to fold it. So I'm going to fold it. Now, if I fold it this way, is that going to be equal? No, I'm going to line them up to where these edges are as close as I can get them. And then I'm going to open it up, and right here where my line is, I'm going to get my scissors and cut it apart. What word could we use to describe the equal parts? Half. That's right. And that looks like an important math word, so I'm going to go ahead and include that. Half. And if we're talking about more than one half, it's halves. So let's keep those words up here. All right, so we have our new word, half. And now we also had juice boxes. So we're going to have this rectangle represent the juice box. How can we split our rectangle into halves? I'm going to fold it. I'm going to line these up so that I have equal parts. And then I'm going to cut them with my scissors. How do we know that these are equal parts? Can I compare them? Are they about the same size here? Yes. So I know that this is half and this is half. We have two halves here. Could we split our juice box a different way? Yes, we could fold it long ways, couldn't we? Make sure that it's lined up. Great. How do we know these are equal parts? I'm going to put them right on top of each other, and it's pretty close, isn't it? So this is half, and this is half. So 2 halves make 1 whole. Great job, boys and girls. We learned half and halves. And to have a half, I have to have equal parts, the same amount.